These penny stocks will explode. Huge potential 100 times. Best penny stocks to buy now. There are many sides to penny stock investing, plus, they could not be more opposite. The spectrum ranges from instantaneous riches, enormous gains, and 20-year-old millionaires, to misplaced investments, scams, illegal activities, and bankrupt businesses. The fact is somewhere between those extremes. Investors should fully comprehend the potentials and dangers before they dip to the penny inventory club. Today, we are here to share some penny stocks with you that carry the potential to increase their values dramatically. Some of these penny stocks are steadily increasing their value with every day passing. Ensure that you subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Watch the video fully to understand what makes these penny stocks so different. There are lots of excellent businesses trading for pennies. They've proven management groups, rock-solid fiscal ranks, developing market shares, enhancing financial ratios, and tumultuous services or products set to control the industry. Anyone who has invested 5% annually knows the excitement that witnesses the huge gains and losses of one penny stocks. Nearly all penny stock traders possess little amounts by which to begin trading. If someone has $500 to exchange, they might buy 4 or 3 stocks of a larger company, but they could also buy hundreds of the penny stock shares depending upon themselves. That's the good thing about penny stocks. Not many penny stocks see a rapid rise in their market price, but those that do can normally increase their rates dramatically within days. But always do your homework and research yourself before making a move. Everything comes with advantages, but there are always disadvantages as well, and penny stocks represent the same case. Unlike larger companies that may trade tens of millions of shares each day, some penny stocks are rarely exchanged. Many see an average of a few thousand shares exchanged daily, while penny stocks may trade others on a far less volume. The cheap and thinly traded penny stock character makes them an ideal instrument for tricking investors from the money. Together with the pump and dump scams, the promoter heaps up on stocks at fractions of a cent, then puts lipstick on a pig, telling the investor community grossly deceptive statements best, or clear lies at worst. Their glistening mail-out appears legit, their site appears fancy, and the story they're telling you makes sense. They then market, because their traders buy and then they push the price higher. The promoter makes money, while anyone who bought eventually loses. With such pleasing advantages and tricky disadvantages, penny stocks need comprehensive research and attention before investments. Here are some penny stocks that are having great potential for long-time investors. ABML. Ticker symbol ABML, or American Battery Metal Corp, is an enterprise involved with the area that recycles lithium-ion batteries and has substantial mineral interests in Nevada. With the evolution of electric cars and batteries, there will be a need to recycle and produce more lithium-ion batteries. The company is in the final stages of completing its own factory. The enterprise has recently got land and water rights and employed a whole construction team for their factory. The stock has grown dramatically and continues to rise steadily. This penny stock isn't a penny stock anymore. The stock was sitting on $0.20 in November 2020, and within these 2 months it has increased up to $3.38. AQMS. Similar to the previous one, AQMS or Aqua Metals is a great buy for a long race. This stock too has the capacity to multiply several times. With constantly changing prices, this stock is for the long term. There's been a great deal of change in Aqua Metals company of late. By way of instance, it paid off all its debt in 2020 and even more significant, altered to an asset-light version. A fire in a facility working with the organization's technologies was overdue. 2019 disrupted its business enterprise and helped push the change process, which commenced in 2018. The shift in attention got a huge boost yesterday when Aqua Metals consented to partner with BASF about creating substances utilized in Aqua Metals' patented lead recycling technologies. It is decreasing its value presently, but it will shoot up instantly, just like ABML did. ALPP. ticker symbol ALPP or Alpine 4 Technologies is a public sector enterprise offering promising stock market shares. The company runs its businesses in automotive technologies, electronics manufacturing, fabrication technologies and clean energy solutions. Elon Musk has become the richest man to live on planet Earth, and he has stated that he will control the prices of Tesla and other automotive electrical companies. Thus, things like these increase stock credibility and potential. In November 2020, ALPP stock's value was only $0.60, which now stands at $3.75. IZEA is a great platform for social media influencers and bloggers. The platform encourages social media influencers and pays them for making amazing content. The company connects marketing strategies with content creators to do their job. Talking of stocks, the company is a great choice too. Its stocks have risen rapidly over a small period of time. The stock will have a spike soon and will explode shortly. They presently have a value of about $80 million. In December 2020, the stock had a market value of $0.98 that spiked up to about $4.77 now. With steadily increasing value, this stock is a great pick for long-term investments. SunW. Ticker symbol SunW or Sunworks Enterprises were founded in 2002, and it has seen much rise and fall in the stock exchange. Presently, the company offers a great opportunity in the stock market. The company provides a range of installation services to its solar energy customers, including design, system engineering, procurement, permitting, construction, grid connection, warranty, system monitoring and maintenance. The company has installed over 850 systems in California and Nevada. Their systems are environmentally friendly and are now used widely. The company has succeeded in taking subsidies from the government. With Joe Biden being elected, green energy will become the new normal in the United States and solar power companies will grow on large scales. As the world is switching to a renewable energy source, this could be a great long-term haul. NNDM. Nano Dimension or ticker symbol NNDM is a major electronics supplier that's interrupting, reshaping, and defining the potential of the way that cognitive associated products are created. These businesses can benefit considerably from Nano Dimension's services and products for quick prototyping and short-run manufacturing companies. This is not a penny stock now. The company has also grown at drastic levels, but still, it is a great trade for stock traders. The company's stock value has risen rapidly in the last year. By the start of 2020, the stock's value was nearly $2, which have constantly grown since then. The stock's value has doubled in the last couple of months and now stands tall at $13.99. MVIS. As we all know, autonomous technology has now dominated the world, and it is used in almost everything, from cars to smartphones. Everything now depended on autonomous technology. Microvision or ticker symbol MVIS Inc. is an American company that develops laser scanning technology for projection, 3D sensing, and image capture. This technology is used and will be widely used in automated vehicles in the future. With Tesla ruling the automotive market, this stock has huge potential and is growing constantly and rapidly. They are the leaders in their respective fields, and the good news is coming out every day about this company. From December 2020 to February 2021, the company's stock value has multiplied by almost 3 times. Now the company's stock is valued at $7.55. With this much potential, this penny stock is a great pick for long-term investments. There are always good stocks available in a nutshell, but traders have to decide when to buy and sell a stock. The stock exchange can be quite intimidating to a newcomer searching for handsome profits. Obviously, research is overriding until you dive in, and searching with powerful dealers for guidance is a fantastic spot to kick off. And most importantly, never let fear dictate your actions. If you think this video have helped you, consider giving it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comment section which stock excited you the most, and which stock do you think will rise, and which will fall. Please share it with your trading friends if this video could help them, and don't forget to check out other videos on our channel about different stocks.